Hinatid ko lang yung kuya ninyo sa school. Pag uwi ko na sa baba na yung keyboard. Tapos iba na yung pinapanood nila, hindi na Cocomelon. He will make a way. He will make a way. Feel na feel niyo yung kanta. He leads me. Rivers in the deserts will I see. Heaven and earth will fade, but His word will still remain, and He will do something new today. Oh, God will make a way when there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. He will make a way. Thank you for watching. Iwan ko lang kasi sila kasi nahatid ko yung kuya nila doon sa school. Pero malapit lang naman ang school dito. Kaya behave lang sila. Lalaro.